Today we will be watching the stocks which has made an impact in the stock market. Bajaj Auto Ltd is up for a third straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 3,759 rupees and 25 paise, up 2.08% on the day around 1 pm on the NSE. Bajaj Auto Ltd has slipped around 1.95% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 2.33 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 7.43 lakh shares in last 1 month. Coforge Ltd rose for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 3,606 rupees and 45 paise, up 1.8% on the day around 1 pm on the NSE. Coforge Ltd has gained around 1.58% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 1.7 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 4.23 lakh shares in last 1 month. Nazara Technologies Ltd is down for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 629 rupees and 50 paise, down 2.17% on the day around 1 pm on the NSE. Nazara Technologies Ltd has added around 6.73% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 3.87 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 4.8 lakh shares in last 1 month. Saregama India Ltd is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 394 rupees, up 4.82% on the day around 1 pm on the NSE. Saregama India Ltd has slipped around 4.44% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 1.8 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 1.3 lakh shares in last 1 month. TCNS Clothing Co. Ltd witnessed volume of 3.38 lakh shares around 2 pm on NSE, a 8.13 times surge over 2-week average daily volume of 41,554 shares. The stock dropped 1.10% to 528 rupees and 5 paise. Volume stood at 22,049 shares in the last session. Container Corporation of India Ltd saw volume of 76.19 lakh shares around 2 pm on NSE, a 7.21-fold spurt over 2-week average daily volume of 10.56 lakh shares. The stock increased 3.90% to 648 rupees and 65 paise. Volume stood at 8.74 lakh shares in the last session. CEAT Ltd notched up volume of 4.35 lakh shares around 2 pm on NSE, a 5.73-fold spurt over 2-week average daily volume of 75,903 shares. The stock rose 6.30% to 1,012 rupees. Volume stood at 31,811 shares in the last session. NESCO Ltd recorded volume of 95,504 shares around 2 pm on NSE, a 4.97 times surge over 2-week average daily volume of 19,210 shares. The stock gained 1.73% to 570 rupees and 10 paise. Volume stood at 18,761 shares in the last session. Eicher Motors Ltd gained for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 2,888 rupees and 15 paise, up 2.94% on the day around 1 pm on the NSE. Eicher Motors Ltd has risen around 9.07% in last 1 month. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.